To enable or disable assistant menu by using volume up and down keys in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Tap assistant menu and then tap assistant menu shortcut. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. A pop-up menu will appear to inform you about the permission needed by this feature. Tap allow to continue enabling this feature. And then select press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. Next, you can enable assistant menu by pressing and holding volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. And then select assistant menu. When assistant menu is enabled, a floating button contained with a menu of easy to reach button will be displayed to let you replace hardkeys, gesture, and other common instructions. You can tap it to easily access the item you have added to the assistant menu. To disable or remove the assistant menu from the screen, press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. And then select assistant menu. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.